What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Blues Clues. Never stock. We're putting on an exhaust today. Bye-bye factory quiet mode.
We might have already
Taking that out.
goodbye.
You guys
factory.
don't need to see how it goes on. Roush already has that on their channel. You don't need to see that. You just want to hear it. Let's show them what we got.
See what we got. Let's go.
I don't typically like the sound of the Roush exhaust, but they have an active exhaust. So today we're doing Roush active exhaust on our 21 F150 3.5. Let's get into it.
Let's go. This wouldn't be a proper exhaust video without the sound of a straight pipe F150.
Let's
Fire up with your fancy phone.
I got my app here.
It's gonna be so loud in my face right now.
Sounds awful.
And that's why we're gonna put an exhaust on it.
Oh, watch this work.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. What's up, guys? Next day here. We took some time. I finished mounting up the active exhaust, running the button inside. Let's show you how it sounds with the valves open and closed.
Heard that. Oh yeah. Let's get some drive-bys, huh?
Take it for some rips and let you hear it. Open and closed, wide open throttle.
Wide open throttle.
Wrap.
Quiet mode pass number 1.
What's up with it?
What's up? It's actually quite loud.
In
The silent mode.
valves closed?
Just sounds like a train going by. There's the wind. So that was it. What do you think?
Yeah. I mean, it's an Ecoboost, man. It's not going to sound phenomenal, but I don't know. It doesn't sound too bad, and I like the fact that you can open and close the valves.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. See if you can hear it now. Flop it open.
Barely anything. I mean, it's still quiet in the cab. So, however, Roush did steal my money. 37 weeks it took for them to get me this exhaust with an original ETA of 3 to 4 weeks.
So
37 weeks.
So prepare yourself if you plan to order parts for your truck.
Lord. They stole my money for 37 weeks. Alright, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Peace out.